Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the owl man, and here we've got an internal barn owl box. As you can see, it's a lot different to an external box. Absolutely ideal for indoor. That's the site where I'm going to put the box, so it's nice and dry in here. So this box is absolutely perfect to be indoors. You can see on the front you've got your inspection door there, very important for giving the box a clean out. The entrance hole on the internal box is slightly larger than the external box is. That's 150mm square, because it can get quite hot in these buildings, so I like to have a larger entrance hole if possible. But yeah, this is the internal barn owl box. I'm just going to weigh things up now, but I'll put it on that brace in there. So I think it'll be a good spot. We've just seen a barn owl just as we drove up to the barn, so that's a real good indication that, you know, we could have some success with this box. So right, let's put it up. When erecting any type of nest box, instead of driving nails just through the wood, it's always best to pre-drill any holes, and it stops any further, you know, like damage of the nest box more than what it has to do. So if you just, I know I have to pre-drill a hole here. So I know that when I drive a nail or a screw into there, it's not going to cause any damage to the nest box. So I'm just going to put one fixing in just for now. I know exactly where it's going to go. Right, so I've pre-drilled the hole, and for this occasion I'm going to put a 5-inch galvanised nail to fix the box. It'll be a really good fixing with that, a 5-inch nail. So I know that when I take the box up, I know exactly where I'm going to drive this nail. Just saves a lot of faffing about being up on the ladder and thinking, oh, where am I going to fix? So alright, we'll go up and I'll get it in place. Right, because I've left the front off the box, it was very easy to erect to this timber frame here. So now all I do is just simply put the front on and that's it. The box is ready to go. Right, so I've just collected this debris off the floor, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this to line the nest box. This is all nice and sandy, so it'll be perfect for the owls to lay their eggs on, so I'm going to go up and put it inside the box. Right, that's perfect. Good to go. Let's hope we have some success with it. Thanks for watching.